Hi, I have here Android CarPlay today. It's suitable with any car. The main goal of this device is actually to mirror your applications from your phone onto this device without any cable. This one works on Bluetooth. It's a 7-inch screen. Here they have some different models you can choose. This one also includes a rear drive camera. I don't need this at the moment, but if you need that, you have it. Cables for the camera. Here is the mount itself, which goes up here like this. It should just click in. Like so. So it looks something like that. They provide you also with this mounting plate, so you can actually fix it on the panel of your car, and from there you just put it up like this. Extensioner. So this should connect with, by the way, it has here USB, SD card, that's the power supply. It can be also connected to your main radio of your car, and you can play the radio through this device if you need that. I actually need this for my work because I'm doing a lot of mileage, so my phone can be free from GPS. It has also this charging cable with USB in it. So now I'm going to put it into the car and we'll test it out together. Okay, I'm in the car now. In my case, I'm thinking to put it somewhere there, so the screen will look towards me. It's gonna be something like this. This will be fine. I'm going to attach it now, and I will film further because I need 2 hands for this. After some time, I finally decided the place. It's gonna be like this. What can this device also do except of CarPlay? You can listen to your radio. By the way, you can connect it with I don't know how you call this this connector, this cable, directly into your car's radio, and then it will be just playing out loud in your car. There you have it. You can choose the station. Works just great. USB. Now there is no device, but you can put an USB there and, for example, watch even movies on this device. That's the SD card. Same story. Here is your phone link. So you can connect this with iPhone and Android. Mirror. I'm gonna leave it like this. Auto. No, auto. For wired connection. Now I will connect this to another phone. It's gonna be an iPhone. and we'll test it out how it works. So they provide you with this plate. It has been modified already with double-sided tape, so you can actually, well, it's difficult here, but just to give you an idea, you can just glue it like this. Then you can just connect that car kit holder directly on this plate and it will be good to go. Okay, now I'm going to use this iPhone to connect to this device. I must say the image, the quality is actually very, very good. So it's Bluetooth. Car BT something. Now it's connecting to my phone. Okay, perfect. So normally I should be able to put in a route to go somewhere. Let's try it now. Don't mind the language. Somewhere.
Начало маршрута до места. Отель Ябарак.
I have connected this device with iPhone. Now I can see my applications here, WhatsApp, Waze. Let's try Waze. Now I'm gonna just try to go somewhere. So now actually my GPS is here on this device. This is perfect for me. And it works very good, very fast. I think you can do much more with this device. I'm not sure at the moment because I just unpacked it together with you. Have here some applications from the phone. And the idea is that my phone can hang just here, chilling, and all that work will be taken by this device now. So the device works just fine. I'm going to test this out for some time, then I can upload another video with final test results. If someone is interested in this kind of device, I can put the link into the description below, like always, and I'll see you next time.